Oh shit, you guys. Looks like there's a car crash right here. Oh fuck, this shit's bad. Oh, they just hit the wall. Oh, we got the cops too? Oh hell no, they're throwing fireworks.
G-O-B-Y-G-O-D-S, that is the car. Bring to the day of that bitch, I'll be that Christian resistor. Blood spiller, cup filler, come hither. Beat the sharp side of my knife, become the blood dripper. Can't splitter, blunt ripper, never front bitcher. Unleash the fucking gripper, pistol gripper, hitch dipper. The devil motivate me, bitch, I see him every day up in the mirror.
Oh shit, you guys. Looks like there's a car crash right here. Oh fuck, this shit's bad. Oh hell no, dude. Damn. Someone just said you can't park there.
Oh, that's fun.
Damn, they're pushing it right now, dude. This looks bad.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, they just hit the wall. Oh, damn. I mean, it's not gonna make it any worse, but it's pretty. These people keep saying they can't park there, and that joke's getting pretty old, so. Oh no, oh shit. Someone's backed up and about to hit this Honda right here. Oh, it's drivable though, it's drivable. Damn, that shit's dragging though. Damn.
Oh, and they hit that girl.
Hey you guys, I was about to come here and look for this golden retriever, and look at all this. Damn. Oh, and I hear the cops too. Damn, we just got here and there's 2 cops, so. Damn, I just seen a firework thrown into the crowd, you guys. Oh, shit, dude. Damn, who's that from the distance? He coming up next? Oh, I hear someone on the right. Damn, he's making everybody run. And we got 2 Infinities. Yeah, that one's leaking. Hell no, that one's swinging too wide, bro. I'm scared. got the cops too? Oh hell no, they're throwing fireworks. Oh shit, damn. We got 2 cops so far? It's just 2 cops. Oh shit, that shit scared me, dog. Damn. It's only 2 cops so far on that side, on the left side. It's time to go. Oh, they almost hit right here.
I'm the king of the underground. Underground. I'm the king of the underground. Underground. Underground.